This guy's gonna snowball me off for sure. Yep. Oh my gosh. There we go. Is he done? You think he's done? I just fell off. I woke up. I just like lost all of my PvP abilities. Like I'm like normal clicking and shit. But like it doesn't matter. It's Hypixel. Come here. Oh, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Oh, fuck, yo. I took all that. Okay, why is this guy here? Oh my gosh. Okay. I need some loot too. Why is this guy? Why am I saying why is this guy when I'm the one fighting him? Why the fuck? Come on. Get the music playing. Do I get the W here? Do I get the W here? One guy left. One guy left. I have no chest plate though. Let me get a speed pot. Pot speed. Oh fuck! Oh my god! Yo, how do you get? Okay, I thought he had diamond armor. But he's just all of my. So is this guy? What? Bro. What? I have my sense turned up a lot because when I move my mouse too fast, it like spins out. Like look at that. I just like, I don't know. The sensor's pretty bad. Hopefully I get a new mouse soon. Oh my god! Ah. Hold on, let me lower my sense and let me show you. I usually have it like 56. Like I move too fast. It like spins the fuck. Like I go slow and then like yeah, it's pretty bad. Also $10 though, so I mean like what do you expect? A $10 mouse. I moved like all my mice to like my where I'm staying at for college. So I don't have to pack as much. So now I'm just using this. Gaming mice to where I'm staying at for college. I'm on this office mouse. Hopefully, you know, I'm moving like in like 3 months, so it's not that big of a deal. And I'm not really on the PC that much anymore. And when I am, I'm playing this or Osu or FL Studio. That's really all I do. You don't need a good mouse for that, so. Oh, everything, and I'm getting no good hopes about this. I usually do well on this map. Unless, like, so much people overwhelm me. I get overwhelmed really easily. Oh my gosh. I'm not winning that fight. Nope. Wait, listen. Oh, I got it. I'm good. I got it good. I got really lucky on that. Get down from there. Oh fuck. Why is there a spider? Didn't know. Okay, listen. Stole that shit. Let me fight this guy now. This guy's a flaming bow. How much arrows do I have? 3. What the fuck? Bro, this guy's like the Fortnite master. Okay, we got that guy. Okay, this guy. Okay, we got a 5 kill on a head map. So, alright, that video. I was gonna stop recording, but then I saw that that was like 4 minutes. So, you know, gotta record some more, you know, make it longer. We're gonna really get to it. Damn, I'm hungry as fuck. Probably should have eaten before this, but you know, I'm already recording, so I don't care. I'm a professional YouTuber. Everybody knows who I am. Shot him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Give me that. Give me that. Come on. We got some good loot. Bro, I knocked him to the other side? Are we serious? And that guy's gonna get the kill, isn't he? Okay. Chasing him. I'm gonna cut him off here. I'm not fighting that, bro. That guy's too much. That guy's too much, bro. Too much, too much, too much. Fuck. Nope. Come here. Hold on, where's this guy? Please. I'm letting up everything, bro. This guy's all up in my ass. Yo, Crody. Nope, nope. I don't have any fucking... Please. Please. Bro, I gotta go. Yes, sir. So he dies. And I get chased. Hold on. I'm gonna get chased. I don't know how I want that. So I run. Oh, that's what happened.